Good morning everyone. Today we will present our story about Michael, a young boy who faced many struggles while discovering his truthful identity. We hope enjoy and learn our presentation.
Our story shows that despite poverty, jealous, and judgment from other people, you can still be success by being brave and true to yourself. It's important because it teaches that family support matters more than being fake friends. And being gay is not something to be ashamed
The
of.
core values displayed throughout this story, family love or acceptance, shown when Michael's father supports his son's decision to join the contest and accepts him for who he is. Betrayal and jealousy, shown when Michael's friends get jealous of him and try to sabotage his chances of winning the Miss Gay pageant. Resilience, shown when Michael refused to give up despite his dress going missing, pushing forward until he wins the contest.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Marilyn G. Losa, and I'm presenting Scene 1 and Scene 2. Scene 1. Michael grew up in poverty after his mother left him when he was born. His father collects cans and bottles every day to provide their basic needs. Scene 2. At a young age, Michael helped his father to collect cans and bottles, and also he works by selling candies and cigarettes in the road to help and support their family.
Michael has a gay friend who help with his financial problems by giving him money and supporting him. As time passes, Michael realizes that he also gay, although his friends are secretly dislike him. Michael and his friends are working together when some boys pay attention only to Michael. His friends notice this and become jealous because the boys ignore them.
Scene 5. Later on, Michael got a news that there's an upcoming Miss Gay contest in their barangay and the grand prize can be a big help for his family. Michael wanted to help his father, so he decided to join the contest and he admitted to his dad that he is gay and he wanted to join the contest. His father looked shocked and disbelieved, but he still chose to support his son and he said, "Go son, I'll support your decision." Michael smiled and he hugged his father tightly.
Michael told his friend that his father accepted him as a gay, and he was allowed to join the Miss Gay contest in their barangay. His friends look at him planning something bad like they're trying to sabotage Michael. When the contest is starting, Michael lost his dress and he couldn't find it anywhere. Because his friend hid his dress so he won't be able to walk in the stage. He asked one of his friends about the dress and he say he hid your dress and when they're already gone, I took your dress and bring it back to you. Michael thankfully took the dress and after that he won the Miss Gay contest and got the big grand prize. When his friend heard the news that Michael won, they were furious. Meanwhile, his father jumped in happiness and he hugged his son tightly.